Hey guys, welcome to Testimony. Today we're going to be installing another 16 gigabytes of RAM in my computer. So let's get started. So RAM is a very important part of a system. Obviously, I did get the green one. I thought it was black. Whatever. RAM is a very important part of a system because it handles your Chrome tabs. It handles how many apps you're allowed to have open. And it has all that information that needs really fast storage that isn't hard drive storage or SSD storage, even faster than an SSD. So, we're going to install this. It's going to be super easy. And, yeah. So, you gotta come in here. My computer has locks. So it's all toolless, just unlock, and then just pull this out. And yeah, it came out. And it has this really weird gimmick. I guess Dell uses one generic inner case for all of their cases, and they all have this weird swivel thing. Some weird random reason, but I guess that's what they do. So I'm gonna unbox this RAM real fast. Come on, is there tape on here? Didn't plan for tape. Just re-stick this so it doesn't unstick itself from the heat. And then, very hard to see, there are little tabs. I think there's one tab per slot that you're gonna unlock in here. Get a good shot of that. Okay, so we're gonna put in RAM. All you gotta do is slot in. It says you gotta use around 30 pounds of force, which is pretty intense, but what? Say what now? Did this not unlock? Oh, yeah, I didn't unlock. Thought I got the wrong RAM for a second. Oh man, it's really hard for you guys to see. Click. Just a quick note, what I was doing was incorrect. You're not supposed to have the computer upright. It's easier to have it down all the way, and you want to put equal force for both of the sides. Two things I was doing wrong, and I figure out later in the video. Okay, maybe I gotta unclip this one so I can click them both at the same time. Put this down, actually. Maybe that'll help. Okay, so now that I've put this down, I'm gonna try again. Oh yeah, got it. Both of them clicked in. Then the second one, line it up. Make sure the second one's unclipped. Click. Oh, come on. After all of these are clipped in, and you're done. We're just gonna close down. I do the two locks, lock, and lock. Then we're gonna load on the side panel. And it's literally as easy as that. Like, a random person who's never seen a computer before could do that. It's that easy. So, it's really heavy actually. Is RAM that heavy? Thanks guys for watching. If you disliked this video, you can hit that button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, maybe consider buying the stuff to be featured at the links in the video description. Also down there is nothing because I don't have a merch store and I don't have a website officially. So, bye-bye.